Is this thing working? I was told I could figure this out on my own. Okay, cool.
Hello everyone, my name is Ellen and welcome to my channel where we get creative with everything art, design, DIY, and lifestyle related. As you can see, my surroundings have changed. Last year in 2021 I moved, and when I moved I lost my lapel mic. That is why we have this. The audio quality is quite good, the video quality not so much. But I digress, I will sort that out later. Last year, one or two of my subscribers did reach out to me and ask when I'd be posting again. Truth is, I was focusing most of my editing energy into other things. That being said, I was still filming, so a lot of my trips, my projects, I have footage of that, and I do want to share it with you guys. I was also focusing a lot on my physical health. I was weight training, I was walking. It was a good year. So, without further ado, here's a montage of some fun things that I did last year.
Such a waste. Looking on the city lights, flashing bright in my eyes. Look up to the sky and I got this relief inside. Then there's no need to hide. I'm going all the way up. I'm going all the way up. I'm letting go in my heart of everything that holds me down. No, no. And it's feeling If you need me, I believe that we can grow. And it's feeling like I've been enough. I can feel the love. Oh yeah, it's all around me. Oh, I need to know how I can let go. Not afraid to fall. A parachute behind me.
I hope you all enjoyed that short glimpse of my 2021 adventures. Please let me know if you saw any trips in there that you would like me to do a full vlog post on. I would be more than happy to share my experiences going to those places. Also, I recently collaborated with my friend Keyur on his YouTube channel and we went ice skating. So if you want to check that out, I provided a link in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell button for weekly updates, because now that I have moved, I have more time to post videos. Well, until the next video, I am out. Bye!